Hey guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you're ready for something truly heavenly today because we are making the one, the only vegan tiramisu. Creamy, coffee-soaked, and melt in your mouth perfect. I'm starting with the base of every good tiramisu, ladyfingers. Into a bowl, I mix flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. You know, the classics. Next comes our secret vegan trick, aquafaba. That's the liquid from a can of chickpeas, but don't worry, it doesn't taste like dinner. It whips up like egg whites. I measure about 120 grams and whisk it until soft peaks form. This step gives our cookies that fluffy, airy bite. Then I add sugar, a spoon of vanilla extract, and whisk again until glossy and light. Finally, a little olive oil for that golden crispness. And we're done whisking. Now, time to combine everything. I gently fold the dry and wet ingredients together with a spatula, slow and careful, like you're mixing a love letter. The goal is to keep the batter light and airy, not deflated. Once ready, I scoop it into a piping bag. Yes, it's slightly messy, but that's half the fun. I pipe the ladyfingers onto parchment paper, trying to make them all the same size. And let's be honest, some will look more like clouds than cookies, but they'll all taste divine. Into the oven they go. 150 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. They should come out lightly golden and slightly crisp on top. Perfection. We move to the creamy part. We're starting with sabayon, that rich Italian custard layer. In a small saucepan, I mix plant-based milk, rum, sugar, and cornstarch. A little vanilla for aroma, and cook it on medium heat, stirring constantly for 5 to 10 minutes until it thickens into a smooth, silky cream. When the sabayon is ready, I pour it over cubed vegan butter. The heat melts the butter slowly, turning the cream glossy and caramel-like. Then I let it chill. First on the counter, then in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Once cooled, it's time for the best part, combining the sabayon with vegan mascarpone. Yes, it exists and it's dreamy. I mix the two together gently, first with a spatula, then finish it with a hand mixer until it's thick, smooth, and impossibly creamy. Then I brew some strong coffee and mix it with a bit of dark rum. The aroma alone could make me skip dinner and go straight to dessert. Now we've got everything ready: cookies, cream, and coffee. Let's build our masterpiece. In a dish, mine's about 10 by 7 inches, I spread a thin layer of cream at the bottom, our velvety base coat. Each ladyfinger takes a quick dip, not a swim, just a graceful dunk, and then gets arranged neatly over the cream. Once the first layer is done, I spread half of the mascarpone cream on top, smoothing it gently with a spatula. Then another layer of coffee-soaked ladyfingers goes down, followed by the remaining mascarpone mixture. Take your time here. This is dessert architecture. Smooth the top perfectly. It's worth it. And now the grand finale, a generous dusting of high-quality cocoa powder. Don't be shy, go full drama here. That deep cocoa finish is what gives tiramisu its signature look and flavor. Now we refrigerate for at least 4 hours, but honestly, overnight is the way to go. The next day, oh, the smell. Coffee, vanilla, rum, and that gentle sweetness of mascarpone. Cut into it and you'll see those perfect layers, soft ladyfingers, lush cream, and cocoa dust that melts the second it hits your tongue. A true Italian classic, with a vegan twist. If you love this recipe, let me know in the comments below. And hit subscribe so you never miss a new sweet idea every week. Until next time, stay cozy, stay sweet, and enjoy every bite. Ciao!